In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually enter bank transactions in QuickBooks Online when your bank isn't connected. If your bank isn't linked to QuickBooks Online, you can still keep your books accurate by manually recording what happened in your bank. We'll walk through 3 common ways to do that: entering an expense, recording a bank deposit, and writing a check. I'll explain when to use each option so your accounts stay clean and reconciled. First, let's record a typical bank payment using an expense. This is the most common scenario when you paid a vendor or made a purchase. Start by clicking the plus New button, then choose Expense. At the top, select the payment account, which will be your bank or cash account where the money actually left. Enter the payee, so the transaction is tied to the right vendor. Set the payment date to match your bank statement for easy reconciliation. Enter the total amount you paid. Under Category, pick the correct expense account, like utilities, office supplies, or whatever best fits the purchase. If you want extra clarity for future you or your accountant, add a brief description, though that part is optional. When everything looks correct, click Save and Close. Next, let's record money you received using a bank deposit. This is useful for things like refunds, interest, or any funds that went straight into your bank. Click the plus New button and select Bank Deposit. Choose the bank account where the money was deposited. In the Received From field, enter who the money came from, so you have a clear audit trail. Enter the amount you received, verify the date lines up with your bank, and then click Save and Close. If you track checks that you've written, you can enter those as well. Click the plus New button and choose Check. Select the bank account the check will clear from. Enter the payee, the date on the check, and the amount. Then select the appropriate expense account to categorize what the check was for. When you're done, click Save and Close. A few important notes to keep things straight. Use expense whenever you're recording cash or bank payments leaving your account. Use bank deposit for money coming in. And avoid using undeposited funds unless you first record payments and plan to combine them into a single bank deposit later. Sticking to these guidelines helps your register and bank reconciliations stay accurate. That's how to manually enter bank transactions in QuickBooks Online. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials.